Hello everyone, and welcome back to Automation School. In today's video, we're going to be teaching you how to make money online in 2023 by starting your own faceless YouTube channel. YouTube has long since been one of the most profitable ways to make money online. But now with the popularity of AI tools like ChatGPT that are taking the internet by storm, it is easier than ever to start your own YouTube channel. YouTubers are bringing in thousands and thousands of dollars a month from making videos and working with advertisers to promote products. Oh, and did we mention, it is all without showing your face. If you're an automation expert, then you'll already be quite familiar with the concept of faceless YouTube channels. However, if you're just getting started in the world of online automation, then we're here to break it down for you. Essentially, a faceless YouTube channel is just like any other YouTube channel, but like the name suggests, does not require you to show your face. Instead of someone talking into a camera, there's usually a voiced-over script layered on top of stock media or another form of background video. This sort of channel has been growing in popularity because it allows people to make money off of YouTube, even if they aren't comfortable with, or just choose not to, show their face. Combined with the use of AI tools and the outsourcing of talent, this form of YouTube channel also fast-tracks the video creation process so that you can up the quantity without sacrificing the quality. Some well-known examples of faceless YouTube channels that you've probably heard of include Wendover Productions, Goodful, Lucas, and Economics Explained. As you can see, some of these channels have hundreds of thousands of subscribers and millions of views a week. With some of these channels residing within high CPM niches, they're likely making thousands of dollars a day from ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and other income streams, all without ever having to show their face on camera. Now, you're probably wondering, how do I get started? Well, that's what we're here to show you. So grab a notepad, a cup of coffee, and get ready for today's lesson. This is the first and arguably the most important step of this entire process. Finding a high CPM niche is crucial in ensuring that not only are you going to be making the most out of ad revenue, but that you'll be making the most money overall. However, that's not the only factor to consider here. You may also want to look into how saturated the niche is, the sales conversion rate for affiliate marketing, and if there's enough evergreen content you can create. These niches can change on a day-to-day basis, with their popularity changing depending on recent news, the economy, or what's trending on the internet. However, here are a few successful niches that have consistently guaranteed returns for faceless YouTubers that are safe and profitable for beginners. Finance/economics, news, business, personal finance, money-making, lifestyle, forex, video editing, automotive, tech industry, gaming, digital marketing, affiliate marketing. Any of the niches that we listed have been known to be profitable and have maintained their relevancy for quite some time. Another method of finding currently trending, high CPM niches are through keyword search engines, which help you to filter through YouTube videos to see which niches are performing best for both the algorithm and viewer standpoint. If you're still stuck, we've got more videos on our channel that have even more faceless channel ideas, so go take a look. Once you've decided on a niche, you'll need to have a general outline for what sort of content your channel will be producing, what your posting frequency is, and some common topics that you can cycle through for videos. You also need to figure out how you're going to be producing content, whether it be completely on your own, utilizing AI tools, or outsourcing talent. Depending on your budget and personal preferences, you can choose any method on content creation. However, we suggest doing a mix of all three, which will not only save you time, but also increase the quality of the video for viewers. Let's use an example. Say you wanted to do a finance news channel that covers what's currently going on in the economy. You could source copyright-free imagery and stock video from Pexels and Unsplash, which you can then input into an AI video editor with templates such as Pictory, which can help you edit your videos in seconds. Then use an AI tool like Jasper AI or ChatGPT to write you a script. Another easy way to get a script is by finding an already made video on a similar topic, clicking the three dots, and finding the transcript. You can then copy the transcript and input it into a paraphrasing tool like Quillbot, or paste it into a chatbot AI to generate a script that is completely original but covers similar content. Once you have a script written and polished, you can send it to a low-cost voiceover specialist on Fiverr. You can easily find high-quality talent for low prices there. Then you're done. A full video, completed in little to no time. We also have in-depth videos on our page that go over the YouTube video automation process, so check them out for more tips. One of the newest additions to YouTube is YouTube Shorts monetization, which allows channels to monetize their YouTube Shorts and earn ad revenue. This program began in February and has shown some impressive returns for those who have taken full advantage of this new feature. Some faceless channels have completely zeroed in on YouTube Shorts and only focus on making short-form content. Whether you want to go down that route, focus on long-form video, or do a mix of both, is up to you. All avenues provide a profitable path to success. Now, by default, YouTubers can all cash in on ad revenue on their videos. However, there are a couple other revenue streams you can have. Depending on the niche of your channel, there are tons of creative ways to increase your income. But here's a list of money-making methods to get you started. Affiliate marketing, one of the most profitable and popular method for faceless channels to make extra cash, which we dive deeper into on other videos on our channel. Merchandise. Making merch for your viewers is a great way to connect with your audience while implementing a new revenue stream. Sponsorships. If your channel grows, brands will want to work with you on collaborations to help promote their products, which can result in thousands of dollars in deals. Membership platforms. Using platforms like Patreon or Fanhouse, you can offer exclusive or extra content to your viewers behind a paywall. What do you think about this new meta of faceless channels? Are you into it? Or are you more of a traditional YouTube that prefers having your face shown? We want to know your thoughts in the comments below. As always, thank you for attending Automation School, and until next time, see you later, Automators.